Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Teacher Den and welcome to Watkanok School's YouTube channel. Okay, so today I will teach you about the days of the week. Okay, so first is let's do the vocabulary words. Okay, so let's get started. Everybody repeat after me. Monday. One more time. Monday. Okay, good. Next day is Tuesday. Again, Tuesday. Good job. Next, Wednesday. One more time. Wednesday. Okay, good. Next, Thursday. One more time. Thursday. Okay, good job. Next, Friday. Friday. Great. Saturday. One more time. Saturday. Okay, good. And last is Sunday. Sunday. Okay. Let's proceed with the sentence structure. Okay, so are you ready, kids? Okay, good. The first one is, can you repeat after me? How many days are there in 1 week? Again, how many days are there in 1 week? So your answer should be, there are blank days in 1 week. Again, there are blank days in 1 week. So again, let's count. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So there are 7 days in 1 week. Good. So your answer should be, there are 7 days in 1 week. Okay, one more time. If the teacher will ask you, how many days are there in 1 week? Your answer should be, there are 7 days in 1 week. Okay, good job. Okay, next structure is, what are the days of the week? What are the days of the week? So this time, you will answer all the 7 days of the week. So you will have to say the 7 days in 1 week. So if the teacher will ask you, what are the days of the week? Your answer should be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Very good. One more time. If the teacher will ask you, what are the days of the week? Your answer should be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, good job. Okay, next. Okay, I will now teach you another set of vocabulary words and another set of sentence structures. So are you ready? Okay, good. Everybody repeat after me. Today. One more time. Today. Okay, it refers to the day today. Okay, so the structure is, what day is it today? What day is it today? So your answer should be, today is. Today is. Okay, so for example, when your teacher asks you, what day is it today? Your answer should be, today is blank. Today is, for example, is Wednesday. So your answer should be, today is Wednesday. One more time. Today is Wednesday. Okay, good. Next word is yesterday. One more time. Yesterday. Okay, good. The sentence structure for this is, what day was it yesterday? One more time. What day was it yesterday? And your answer should be, yesterday was blank. Yesterday was blank. Okay, so for example, today is Wednesday. The question is, what day was it yesterday? So your answer should be, yesterday was good, Tuesday. Again, one more time. Yesterday was Tuesday. Okay, that's very good. Next word is tomorrow. Okay, one more time. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. And the sentence structure for this is, what day is it tomorrow? Again, what day is it tomorrow? And your answer should be, tomorrow is blank. Tomorrow is blank. Okay, if the teacher asks you, what day is it tomorrow? Your answer should be, tomorrow is blank. For example, today is Wednesday. What day is it tomorrow? Your answer should be, tomorrow is Thursday. Again, tomorrow is Thursday. Okay, good. Now, let's review our lesson about the days of the week. Okay, so again, repeat after me. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Next is Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Sunday. Sunday. Okay, let's have an exercise. Okay? For example, today is Friday. Okay? Today is Friday. Question: what day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? So what's your answer? Yesterday was Thursday. Okay, very good. Again, one more time. What day was yesterday? Yesterday was Thursday. Okay, good. Again, today is Friday. Today is Friday. What day is it tomorrow? What day is it tomorrow? And your answer should be, tomorrow is, very good, Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday. Okay, very good. Thank you, students. I hope you enjoy watching our videos. Thank you so much.